Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a kawaii taco. For this drawing we'll need colored pencils black, light brown, green, red, and pink. This drawing is 13 squares tall and 22 squares wide. We'll start with the black color and skip 6 squares from left to right. In the 7th square, we'll mark 2 horizontally. Down to the left, 2 diagonally. Down to the left, 2 vertically. From this square to the left 1. Down to the left 3 vertically. Down to the left 1. Down to the right 4 vertically. Up to the right 2 vertically. Up to the right 2 diagonally. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 8 horizontally. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 2 diagonally. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the right 4 vertically. Up to the right 1. From this square, down to the right 2 vertically. Up to the right 4 horizontally. Down to the right 2 vertically. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 2 diagonally. Down to the right 2 vertically. From this square to the right 1. Down to the right 3 vertically. From this square, skip 2 squares down and mark 2 vertically. From this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 1. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 1. Skip 2 squares to the right and mark 2 vertically. from this square to the right 18 horizontally. And now, pixelers, let's color in all the squares we marked. If you're new to the channel and you're not part of the Pixeler Club yet, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and that's it! You're now part of our family! Let's continue with the red color and mark one here. Here, two horizontally. Down to the left, two diagonally. Mark one here. Here, two horizontally. Down to the right, two diagonally. Mark one here. Also mark this one. And now we color it in. Next, with the green color, mark one here. Here, two vertically. Mark this one. Mark these two vertically. To the left one. Up to the left one. Here, four horizontally. Below, four horizontally. And now we paint. Now with the pink color, from this square down two horizontally. From this square down two horizontally. And we paint. Finally, we finish with the light brown color, filling in the rest of our taco. At the top corner, you'll find the link to my Spanish channel, where you'll find hundreds of the step-by-step tutorials. All the videos have subtitles, so if you don't speak Spanish, no problem. And that's how our drawing for today turned out. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like, and if you made it to this part of the video, let me know in the comments if you also love tacos. Thank you so much, pixelers, for being here in another video. Sending you a big hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!